In the teaching of reading, text difficulty is a critical aspect to a reader's success. Students need to have access to a text that's at an appropriate level so they can accurately recognize the words and construct meaning with teacher support or when reading independently. A measure of readability attempts to attach a numeric difficulty level to a text, usually based on word and sentence length. This type of quantitative measure doesn't really consider the content of the text or reader factors like motivation, prior knowledge, or other reading skills, but it can be a very helpful piece of information for teachers. One method of readability, Flesch-Kincaid, is a review tool contained in Microsoft Word. This method depends on the average number of syllables per word and words per sentence. Today I'm going to show you how to enable this tool and to interpret the results. First, you'll need a text in a Microsoft Word document. For this example, I'm going to use an article called Baby Talk from Science News for Kids in 2007. To show the readability statistics in Microsoft Word 2007, I'm going to go up to the Review tab and click on the Spelling and Grammar button. In earlier Microsoft versions, you would look for Spelling and Grammar under the Tools menu. Once the Spelling and Grammar box appears, I'm going to click the Options button. Under the word grammar, spelling and grammar and word options, I'm going to make sure I click on the Show Readability Statistics box. After I check the box, I can click on OK and return to my spelling and grammar check. Let me go ahead and fix this word right here. When the readability statistics box appears, you'll see some information about the word counts and the averages in the text. For text difficulty, I'm going to focus on the last two items in the readability section. The Flesch-Kincaid Reading Ease score, right here, ranges from 0 to 100. The higher the score, the easier it is to understand the document. So in this case, this text with a Reading Ease score of 66.7 would be appropriate for most fluent readers. The Flesch-Kincaid grade level score down here at the bottom represents the text difficulty by grade level and month. In this case, the Baby Talk article, a child in the 7th grade, 9th month would probably be able to successfully read the text and understand it. This tool has many applications for classroom teachers. By typing a passage selection from a student reading books or content textbooks, this tool could be utilized to check the readability of those materials. When teachers create text, when students are reading text on a website, when teachers are creating assessment questions or other materials that might be sent home to parents, these things could be checked for readability. For struggling readers, teachers could modify an existing text to make it easier for that student to access. While not considering all the factors that contribute to a student's successful reading, the readability statistics in Microsoft Word can be very helpful.